Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot verify phone number and Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and trying to create a new Apple ID but you're facing an issue that you see a message you cannot verify your phone number, this phone number cannot be verified or cannot be used at this time, please try again later or choose a different phone number. So let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing is that you just have to double check that you have a strongest and a stable network connection. Or after doing that, you have to go for settings here, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. Then go back from here, go for limited region option, select region, and select your own region in which you're living based on your location. And once you have selected your own region, simply go back, and here you have to go for software updates. You have to try to make a software update. If you find any pending software update here, try to update your software, then go back, go for the transfer reset iPhone section, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your network setting, it will be fixed in the step. And after that, you have to try to make a force to restart your iPhone again. It's not true that you have to quickly press and the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to also double check that the phone number you're using is a standard mobile number or that can receive SMS or text messages. If there will be any restrictions on your selected or entered mobile number, so you are unable to create an Apple ID on this phone number, or if your account is already connected with more than with different Apple IDs, so you're also unable to use this in your own Apple ID. Or if you're facing this issue again and again, or your mobile number is not connected on your Apple ID, so you have to try to use your browser here. Open your browser, you have to search for appleid.apple.com, or you can search for Apple ID, login here, just search for that, and then select or open the first website, which is my Apple ID. Or if you can't find that website, you have to enter this appleid.apple.com. Just enter the website link, and you will get the website here. Just wait for the website until it's open, and here just tap on this arrow option in the top right corner. Then select create your Apple account, and you have to try to create your Apple account on your browser. If you're still facing the same issue on the browser, so you have to try to use a different device. It might be your phone or your any other phone or your PC laptop, so you can easily use that to create a new Apple ID. Or if you're still facing the same issues, there's the only way. You just have to change your mobile number, and after that you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.